Are those clouds, or is that smoke? And why is it so warm as the folks in the factory below? And as the flowers fight through the cracks in the street, doing the job they were given so faithfully, they got a ruthless tyrant of an enemy, the former politician's never-ending concrete, you and me. And the lines they try to synchronize the people and the trees. But wild are we, wild are we, wild are we. We will find without the lines in God's geometry. Wild are we, wild are we. Snakes, they look mean, but when they look at us, what do you think they see? I had a revelation when I was talking to Eve. She recommended keep your eyes up and watch what you eat. And when the frost begins to streak down the window pane, it's a sure indication the sun is on its way. And the banging outside when you're trying to sleep, don't hope it'll stop, just try to get used to the beat. And the lines they try to synchronize the people and the trees. But wild are we, wild are we, wild are we. We will find without the lines in God's geometry. Wild are we, wild are we. You want to pop on the cello, say. Because it started making sense since the day it began, when the rain stopped stepping to the sunshine onto dry land. Well, the 40 days of rain must have drove them insane, dreaming up the future boulevards of buildings, stoplights, and planes, trains, and traffic lanes. They say the lines they try to synchronize, but we will find, well, the lines they try to synchronize, we will find. Well, and the banging outside by the men in the street, they can't make it stop. They're smaller than their machines.